Good day, everyone. Today we are going to explore the AI landscape, concepts, techniques, applications, and ethical implications. In today's world, technology is growing very fast, and we are getting in touch with different new technologies day by day. So ano nga ba ang artificial intelligence? Sabi dito, artificial intelligence is composed of two words, artificial and intelligence, where artificial defines man-made and intelligence defines thinking power. Hence means a man-made thinking power. So we can define AI as it is a branch of computer science by which we can create intelligent machines which can behave like a human, think like humans, and able to make decisions. Artificial intelligence exists when a machine can have human-based skills such as learning, reasoning, and solving problems. So we can move to the concept of AI. We have two. First, simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, especially computer systems. Second, designed to learn from experience, adapt to new situations, and improve performance over time without being explicitly programmed. Moving to the AI techniques. Number 1. Machine vision, also known as computer vision, is a field of artificial intelligence that involves training machines to interpret and understand visual data from the world around us. Number 2. Natural language processing. NLP is a subfield of AI that focuses on enabling machines to understand, interpret, and generate human language. Number 3. Machine learning. Machine learning is a subset of AI that uses statistical methods to enable machines to learn from data. It involves creation of algorithms that can identify patterns, make predictions. Number 4. Automation and robotics. Automation is use of technology such as software or machines to perform tasks with minimal human intervention. Robotics is the field of engineering and technology that involves the design, construction, and operation of robots.
Applications. We have five. Number one, machine learning. Ito ay isang process kung saan ang mga computer ay ini-improve ang kanilang mga performance sa mga specific na task, and they learn also from this data. Pero sa traditional programming, may mga rules and implicity that provide. In machine learning system, they develop rules and patterns sa mga data na kanilang nare-receive. Number 2, deep learning. Ito naman ay subset ng machine learning na nakafocus sa mga paggamit ng mga artificial neural networks para ma-model at ma-solve ang mga complex na problems. Sa number 3, natural language processing. Ito naman ay isang domain na nakafocus on enabling machines para ma-understand natin ang mga language, ma-interpret and they generate human languages. Number 4, computer vision. Ito ay isang subdomain ng AI na nakadil naman sa enabling some machines para ma-interpret at maintindihan ng visual information from the world. Last, data science. Ito ay para ma-interdisciplinary field that combines techniques in statistics, computer science, and domain expertise to extract valuable insights from data. Ethical and social implications of AI. We have 5. Number 1, privacy concerns. Ito ay ang AI systems na nagre-rely ng isang malaking amount ng data para mag-function na nagbigay concern sa mga concerns about sa data privacy and potential for this data to be used in ways sa mga individuals na di nag-agree or sa mga harmful to them. Number 2, security and control. This can be, ito naman ay pwedeng vulnerable to hacking and manipulation na leading to concerns about security and control. Sa mga AI systems na more advanced and integrated into society, may risk na they could become powerful and mahirap i-control, na maglilid naman sa unintended consequences and raise questions about the responsible when things go wrong. Number 3, bias and discrimination. Ito naman ay ang AI system ay pwedeng mag-reflect sa mga basis ng data na sila ay na-train and leading to discriminatory outcomes. Pero may risk pa rin ang AI system na either intentionally or unintentionally in ways that could have negative impacts on certain groups of people. Number 4, job displacement. AI system can become increasingly or advanced that there is a risk they could be automate certain jobs, leading to employment for some workers. May mga significant social impacts, including increased in inequality and disruption of entire industries. Last, autonomy of agency. Ito ay ang AI system na pwedeng gumawa ng kaniyang decision and lead naman sa mga questions tungkol sa accountability and responsibility. Kapag ang AI daw ay gumawa ng kanyang sariling desisyon, it will get negative consequences at mahirap din itong maintindihan. That's why decision was made in who is responsible.
So now let's move on to the current events or news on AI. Recent events in artificial intelligence include breakthrough in deep learning algorithms, debates surrounding AI ethics and regulation, advancement in AI application for healthcare and finance, the development of more sophisticated autonomous systems, and the integration of AI technologies in various industries to improve efficiency in decision-making process. Next is conclusion. Artificial intelligence and the technology are one side of the life that always interest and surprise us with the new ideas, topics, innovations, products, and more. AI is still not implemented as the films representing it, for example, intelligent robots. However, there are many important tries to reach the level and to compete in market, like sometimes the robots that they show in TV. Nevertheless, the hidden projects in the development in industrial companies. Thank you for listening. I hope you understand